everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at best free email marketing softwares in 2025. The first one we have is called Mailchimp. So we have Mailchimp, we have MailerLite. We're going to be examining these ones. We have Sendiblu, we have HubSpot, we have MoSend, we have, so those are actually the 5 we're going to be examining today. So let's start. For the first one we have is Mailchimp. Now, those are the strengths of Mailchimp. It is user friendly. It has a user friendly interface. It is navigate and use even for beginners. It has free plans. Offers a free plan with robust features for smaller lists. It has good customer support, so it provides helpful resources and support options. Those are the strengths of Mailchimp. Let's look at the weaknesses. Limited features in the free plan. As your list grows, you may need to upgrade to a paid plan to access advanced features. Then that's actually the weakness of Mailchimp. Let's look at the second software that we can use is MailerLite. Now MailerLite has some strengths and weaknesses. Let's look at the strengths first. The first strength is that affordable pricing. It offers competitive pricing, especially for small businesses and individuals. Number 2, it has an intuitive drag and drop editor. Easy to create visually appealing emails using this editor. Next, it is good for beginners. It has simple interface and helpful tutorials, making it easy to get started with it. Now, look at its advantages and weaknesses. Fewer advanced features. When you compare it to some competitors, MailerLite may have fewer advanced automation and segmentation features. So that is the only weakness for MailerLite. Let's look at the third software we have is Sendiblu. So Sendiblu, look at the strength. The strength is 1, strong SMS marketing capabilities. So it offers integrated SMS marketing features alongside email marketing. Very good. Next, free plan with generous limit. It provides a free plan with a good number of contacts and email sends. Then it is good for e-commerce because it offers features specifically designed for e-commerce businesses, such as product recommendations. Those are the 3 strengths we're going to look at. Let's look at the weakness now. The interface can be slightly more complex than some other options. That's the weakness. The 4th software we're going to look at is HubSpot. HubSpot, look at the strengths. Now, the first strength is that it has a comprehensive marketing platform, which means it offers a suite of marketing tools beyond email. It includes CRM, social media management, and website building. Very nice. Next strength we have is powerful automation. It offers advanced automation capabilities such as marketing automation workflow. Another good point. The next strength we have is free plan available. It offers a free plan with limited email marketing features, but it's still free. Let's look at the weakness. It can be complex for beginners. You see, the platform has a steep learning curve due to its extensive features. So get ready to learn if you're going to use it. Then the 5th one, which is the last software we're going to be looking at today, is MoSend. Now let's look at the strengths. MoSend has excellent deliverability rates. It is known for high email deliverability rates. It's excellent. Then the second one, it has advanced segmentation. You see, it's powerful. It has powerful segmentation features for targeted campaigns. The 3rd strength, it has user-friendly interface, relatively easy to use and navigate. Let's look at the weakness. Fewer pre-built templates. You see, it may have fewer pre-designed email templates compared to some other email platforms. So how do we choose the best option? 1, you need to consider your budget. You see, free plans are available for most platforms, but paid plans offer more features. Then you need to evaluate your needs. You need to determine which features are most important to you. Which ones are the most important to you? Is it the automation, segmentation, or e-commerce integration? Once you've established that, then you try free trials. You see, most platforms offer free trials, allowing you to test their features and see which one best suits your needs. I recommend exploring the free plans of all these platforms and comparing their features to find the best suit for your specific requirements. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.